Hello, hello, hello. Don Jalbert here with Exhibit Associates, and I am driving down the road. This is a pseudo crossing the bridge. I'm going to go a little bit longer here today because I want to talk about social media. Social media is so important that I want to make sure that not only are you aware of your social media, but I want to make sure that you're aware of what Exhibit Associates is trying to do with our social media. And the reason I bring this up is if you can't do it, hire somebody that can, or get someone on your team that can do it. Just like a trade show booth. Can you design a trade show booth? Can you build a trade show booth? Can you ship it? Can you get it set up? Can you do everything that's necessary? And then if something gets broken or is wrong, you can go to your vendor and say, fix it. Believe me, that's what we do at Exhibit Associates. We are the trade show experts. So why would I think that we would be the social media experts? So we're bringing a team in. So this 3-minute TikTok video, maybe one of the last crossing the bridges, maybe one of the last I point the camera at me and do the video as my own. But I just want to make sure that you understand what your tactic is or what your strategy is for social media. And ours is real simple. Ours is to get our name out there. So when someone does a search for trade show booths in Kansas City, boom, we pop up first in the organics. And we got competition in this town. We have one company that's a franchise system that they spend more on marketing. Their mothership spends more on marketing than we make. I mean, it's hard to compete against that type of stuff. But we can do it. And you can do it too. So if you are competing against a 800-pound gorilla in your industry, social media has free distribution, and you can utilize it to get eyeballs at your trade show. Now, you can use to get eyeballs to your website, track the analytics, but what's your goal? Our goal is nice and simple. Use social media to drive people to our website so our phone rings. That's it. So you see us on TikTok, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. We have our blog. Go to our blog, and then I have my podcast. So we've got all this stuff out there happening because social media is so important. It's so important we're bringing a team in. So this may be the last direct-to-camera conversation that we have. So I'm going to bring this crossing the bridge to an end. I'll probably do one tomorrow morning when it's bright and early. Today I've been kind of all over the place, hence the look. But thanks for playing along, and I'll talk to you later.